How to make a subpage in Wix. Easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a very quick tutorial on how to create a subpage on Wix website. So let's get into it. First of all, you're gonna open up your wix.com and you'll select the website you want to edit. I have selected this website, and once you get to the dashboard, you're gonna click on edit site. It'll take you right here to your editor.wix.com. Here I can create a sub page. So for that, we're going to navigate to the menu and pages. So here, if you have already created a page, you can add it as a sub page of another page that you have, or a menu. It's very easy. All you need to do is you're going to drag your page and just drop it under the parent page. So if I drop this page right here, now you can see it has created a sub page. Now this is the my about page is a sub page to my home page. Similarly, I can take this services page and drop it under my home page. So all you need to do is just like drag and drop it under, and you can see now I have created sub pages. So you can see this is how we create sub pages on Wix. It's the easiest way we can create a sub page. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.